Welcome to this transformative video about a powerful principle that can change your life forever, the mirror principle. This principle states that everything you see in the world around you is a reflection of your own inner reality. In other words, the external reality is a mirror of your internal reality. In this video, we will explore how you can apply the mirror principle in your life to create a more positive and happy reality. The mirror principle is based on the idea that everything we see around us is a reflection of our own inner reality. This means that if you want to change your external reality, you need to start with your internal reality. For example, if you are constantly attracting toxic people into your life, this may be a reflection of your own negativity and lack of self-love. To attract positive and loving people, you need to become that person first. The mirror principle is a powerful tool to help you in this process. The first thing you need to do is be willing to look within yourself and identify what needs to be changed. Although it may be difficult, it is essential to successfully apply the mirror principle. You need to take responsibility for your own reality and recognize that you are the creator of your own life. Once you are willing to do that, you can start working on your internal reality. This involves working on your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. If you have negative thoughts about yourself and the world around you, this will be reflected in your external reality. To attract positive things into your life, you need to change your thoughts to positive ones. This can be as simple as stating positive things about yourself every day. In addition to working on thoughts, it is also important to work on emotions. If you have negative emotions such as anger, sadness, or fear, this will also be reflected in your external reality. To attract positive things, you need to work on your emotions and maintain a positive mindset all the time. Finally, you need to work on beliefs. If you have limiting beliefs about yourself and the world around you, this will also be reflected in your external reality. To change your external reality, you need to change your internal beliefs. This can be as simple as questioning why you believe certain things and trying to change those negative beliefs to positive ones. The best way to understand how the mirror principle works is through examples. Here are some examples of how this can apply to your life. If you feel lonely and isolated, you are likely emitting a vibration of loneliness and isolation. To attract more friends and connections, you need to start emitting a vibration of friendship and connection. If you are constantly encountering toxic people in your life, you are likely emitting a vibration of negativity and lack of self-love. To attract positive and loving people, you need to start emitting a vibration of positivity and self-love. If you are constantly struggling with money and finances, you are likely emitting a vibration of scarcity and lack. To attract more abundance and prosperity, you need to start emitting a vibration of abundance and prosperity. Practice gratitude daily, visualize the reality you want to create, practice meditation daily, and use positive affirmations to help you change your negative thoughts and beliefs. Try applying the mirror principle in your life and observe the positive changes that occur. Remember that you are the creator of your own reality and have the power to transform it. The mirror principle is a powerful tool that can help you change your reality forever. By working on your internal reality, you can start creating a more positive and happy external reality. Always be willing to look within yourself and make the necessary changes to create the life you want. We hope this video has been helpful to you and that you start applying the mirror principle in your life today. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on creating a more positive and happy life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.